Alright, so you're feeling hungry? Want to play games while you're eating? Or I have a really quick food for you. All we need is 3 ingredients. You have a rice, you know, just making things very healthy. You can buy your rice at your local grocery store, but why do you need to buy it if you already have it in hand, right? Our next ingredient for this one. And is it chili? No, it is not chili. It is spaghetti sauce. We did had a bit of a party last week, so yeah, leftover spaghetti sauce. And let's move into our 4th ingredient, our pizza resistance, our cheese grater. No, just kidding. Our cheese, of course, and we happen to have a leftover cheese as well. If you can notice, it's a very small cheese and quite hard actually, but come on, it's still edible. So go ahead and add it in our little gamer food. And we have now our 3 ingredients. Okay, let's start with our rice. Okay, this rice is new actually. I just cooked rice a few minutes ago. But if you have leftover, please do use those. And let's move into our next one, of course, our spaghetti sauce. Okay, let me get my spoon here. Alright. So let's put a bit on the top here. Okay. Alright. Yeah, scoop that up. Not too much. I'm not gonna put the whole thing. I over scooped this on the fridge. Okay, so now we have our spaghetti and rice. Now let's put a bit of cheese. You could put a generous amount, depending on you, if you want it very cheesy. If you want it very cheesy. I'm just gonna put just enough. Okay. Now, of course, this is still not ready to eat. The rice may be hot for me, but of course we still need to heat this up in the microwave. Just heat it up for maximum at least 2 minutes. If you want it very hot, you can go for 3, up to you. But of course, let's heat this up. Alright, we're back from the oven. Well, not me, but the spag rice. The cheese didn't melt because I just noticed the cheese I put was at an easy melt cheese, so a bit of a fail there. Quick look at that. Okay, but so far it did heat up. Just have to mix this and you're pretty good, ready for gaming, of course. And let's just add my spoon, and there you go, ready to eat. Still quite hot. And of course, let's start gaming. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video, guys. And this is Beefsteak signing off. Ciao.